Hello kids, I hope you are fit and fine. Today we will learn about O sound words. Short sound of vowel O. OG, og. OX, ox. OT, ot. Double OK, ook. Let's start with OG. LOG, log. HOG, hog. DOG, dog. FOG, fog. OX, COX, cox. BOX, good, fox. FOX, gourd, fox. OX, ox. OT, DOT, dot. HOT, hot. GOT, got. COT, got. Good. Double OK. TOOK, took. HOOK, hook. COOK, cook. LOOK, look. Now kids, you have to say aloud. ON, oon. OL, ool. OT, oot. Let's start with ON. MOON, moon. NOON, noon. SOON, soon. BOON, boon. Good. OOL, COOL, cool. POOL, pool. STOOL, stool. TOOL, tool. WT, LWT, loot. HWT, hoot. BWT, boot. SHWT, shoot. Now kids, you have to read aloud. The night was cool. They sat on the stools. They did not bathe in the pool. Shriya wears a red frock. Her cock is on the rock. Good. Now it's activity time. Match the rhyming words. Okay, who will tell me what is the rhyming word for spoon? Yes, it's moon. What is the rhyming word for frock? Good, it's rock. What is the rhyming word for stool? Very good, it's pool. What is the rhyming word for root? Amazing, it's boot. Now, one more activity. Look at the pictures and write their names in the blanks. So, the first picture is good, it's dog. The second picture is good, it's a fox. The third picture is good, it's a spoon. The fourth picture is good, it's a book. Color all the O word spaces with a pencil to find the hidden picture. So kids, what you need to do is, you need to see where are O words and you need to color it with a pencil. Let's do it. Color all the O word spaces with a pencil to find the hidden picture. Let's take an example like FOOT, foot. You need to color it with a pencil. So, simultaneously, wherever there are O words, you need to color it with a pencil. Let's do it. Good. So kids, I hope you have understood what we have done today and you will practice it more and more to be perfect in this.